Sat Shri Akal. My name is Vipul Ujjwal and I am a member of State COVID Control Room. I am here for the daily media briefing brought to you by Control Room. Today is the 38th day for sharing information about Punjab State's efforts in controlling the coronavirus situation in the state. Till date, coronavirus has infected 30,52,000 people worldwide and has caused 2,18,000 deaths worldwide. In the case of India, it has infected 31,332 people and including 1,008 deaths. However, almost 7,800 people have been fully recovered from this disease. Punjab government has extended curfew in Punjab till 17th May. In this regard, Punjab government has decided to relax few restrictions in the curfew from tomorrow. These relaxations will be applicable to the area not marked as red or containment zones and will subject to the strict adherence to COVID related safety protocols. Government has decided that certain shops will remain open from 7 AM to 11 AM. All these shops should strictly follow the COVID related safety protocols as well as different government guidelines. Punjab government requests all those citizens who are stranded in other countries that if they are desirous to coming back to Punjab, they can register themselves at our website www.covidhelp. I'll repeat covidhelp.punjab.gov.in. All those who have already registered for the same purpose at our district helplines need not to reapply. Punjab government has restated that no industrial activity will be allowed in containment zones, hotspots or red zones, while in other areas industrial units will be allowed as per the government guidelines. To contain the spread of the virus, Punjab government is testing all the suspected cases samples, and in this regard the state has sent around 18,700 samples, out of which 15,700 samples were tested negative. Till date, 375 samples were found positive. Yesterday this figure of positive cases was 342. Unfortunately, 19 people have died till date. However, no new death case is reported today. In the end, we thank you all for your support in this battle against coronavirus, and please remember to maintain social distance and keep your hands clean. Stay home, stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.